Hello and welcome back to Autotips Podcast, your go-to show for all things Forex, finance and freedom. I'm still your host, Onyeka. Today's topic is a foundational one, how to analyze the market trends and price action. If you want to be consistently profitable in the market, you want to understand how to analyze the market without solely depending on indicators. So grab a notebook and sit close to your system because this is one of the episodes you don't want to miss. Disclaimer, the content in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a professional before making any financial decision. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. Before we dive into price action, let's define what is market trend. Market trend is simply the direction which price is moving over a period of time. We have three primary types of market trend. We have uptrend, downtrend, and sideways or ranging market. When we talk about uptrend, is when the price is making series of higher highs and higher lows. And when we talk about downtrend, is when the price is making series of lower lows and lower highs. When we talk about ranging market or sideways, is when the price is moving in a horizontal line without making any clear movement. Identifying the trend helps you to trade with the momentum, and this will increase your chances to success in the market. How do we spot a trend? Look at the overall movement of price in higher time frame like the 4-hour or daily chart. You can also use the trend line, moving averages, or just as good as looking at the price structure to know where the market is going. Price action. What is price action? It's the study of how price behave over time without relying on indicators. It's about reading the raw candlestick data to understand what the buyers and sellers are doing. It involves observing things like support and resistance level, candlestick patterns, breakouts and retests, and market structure shifts. The key idea behind price action is that the market tells the story, and your job as a trader is to interpret those stories. How to analyze market trend using price action? Here is the step-by-step process you can use. First, start with higher time frame analysis. Look at the daily or hourly chart to identify the trend. Then ask yourself, is the market trending or ranging? Secondly, draw key levels. Mark out a strong support and resistance levels. These are areas where the price have historically reacted. Thirdly, observe candlestick behaviors. Look out for patterns like pin bar, engulfing candle, inside bar around your key levels. This will give you clue if there is a potential continuation or reversal. Fourth, watch for breakouts and retests. When the price breaks a structure level, wait for retest. This confirms the breakout and also gives you a safer entry point. Fifth, confirm on the lower time frame. Drop down to 1 hour or 15 minutes chart to fine-tune your entry point and manage risk effectively. Common mistakes to avoid. Forcing a trend. If the market is ranging, don't convince yourself it's trending. Overloading the chart with indicators. Price action doesn't need clutters. Ignoring the higher time frame. This gives you a bigger picture and helps you avoid fakeouts. Mastering how to analyze trend and price action takes time and practice, but once you get it, you'll feel more confidence in your trade and less reliant on lagging indicators. Start keeping a journal, study your trades, and review how price moved around your marked levels. With consistency, your edge will be sharpened. Trading journal helps you to review your trade and make possible adjustments in the future. If you want to learn how to make one, click the link here and watch my video on trading journal. And also, I'll be leaving the link under the description. Thanks for tuning into the Autotips Podcast. If you found this episode valuable, share with your fellow traders and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay sharp, trade smart, and keep leveling up.